Now, you've probably come to this video because you're interested in making money working from home. You're fed up with the rat race, you want to get away from it. And if that's the case, carry on watching this video because I'm going to show you how to make money working from home using the power of AI. Now, below this video, at any time that you want to, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to this page. Pop your email address in, and this is what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to be sending you an email, so make sure you open my email because I'm going to be sending you the link to the new start of the course. Now, you've got two courses that you can go through at the moment, and you can either go the route of about trading, and that's with binary options and spot and grid trading with Jonny blockchain, or you can go down the route of learning to make money online, affiliate marketing, working with AI, all that type of stuff. Yes, the choice is yours, or you can do both. To be honest, you've got access to both of the training programs. I'm putting this course together on what I believe that's the path that you need to go through to make money working from home, and you know, getting that time freedom and, you know, getting your life back rather than being a slave. I mean, I've worked online since 2004 is when I had my first website, and then 2014 is where it all erupted, if you like, exploded for me. My income went through the roof, and my lifestyle changed completely in 2014. Keep an eye on your emails. I'm going to be sending out that first email of the new updated course that I've got for you. This course on showing you how to make money with AI and changing your life, really. And I hope you like the course. It's completely free for you. I will be charging at some point later in the future, but luckily you're in right at the beginning, so you get access to this course for free. So I hope you like it, and keep an eye on your emails. Now, if you're not on my email list, I'll leave the link below this video so that you can get this free training. You're going to love it. It's going to blow your mind away. Take your time. It's going to change your life. It really is. And you have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.